Hello, amazing learners, and welcome to Get.Tech Academy. Here at Get.TechAcad, we're passionate about making technology accessible and easy to understand for everyone. And today, we're kicking off something truly special, our comprehensive Basic Computer Essentials full course. Let me introduce myself. My name is Get.TechAcad, and I'll be your instructor throughout this journey. I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering from the Kel Institute of Technology here in Tigray, Ethiopia. And I'm thrilled to share my knowledge and passion for technology with you. In today's fast-paced world, computer skills aren't just an advantage, they're absolutely essential. Whether it's for your daily tasks, boosting your career prospects, staying connected with loved ones across the globe, or simply unlocking a world of information and entertainment, mastering your computer opens countless doors. And if you're thinking, computers, they're just way too complicated for me, let me assure you, you're not alone. That's why we've designed this course, Basic Computer Essentials, to be a beginner's best friend. This course is specifically designed for absolute beginners. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by technology, or if you're just starting your digital exploration, you are exactly where you need to be. Throughout this course, I'll guide you through everything from the very basics of how to turn on and use a computer to more complex concepts like word processing, spreadsheet, presentations, internet browsing, and even social media. I know it might sound like a lot, but trust me, with our simple, clear approach, you'll be navigating these tasks with ease in no time. But what sets us apart? What makes this course different from all the other computer courses out there? Well, it's pretty simple. We believe in making learning easy, fun, and most importantly, effective. Our approach is simple, clear, and highly effective. We believe in clear, jargon-free explanations, practical, hands-on demonstrations, and step-by-step guidance that you can follow at your own pace. Now, I know that learning something new can be intimidating, but trust me when I say this, you don't need to be a tech genius to succeed in this course. All you need is a willingness to learn and the drive to succeed. And we're here to help you every step of the way. This comprehensive course is broken down into 12 easy-to-digest modules, each building upon the last to ensure you develop a solid foundation and lasting confidence. By the end of this course, you won't just understand computers. You'll be able to navigate the digital world with confidence and proficiency. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a more tech-savvy you? Hit that like button, subscribe to Get.TechAcad for all 27 lessons, and let's move on to video 2, where we'll reveal your full course roadmap. Thank you.